Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory, guys. I'm your host, Feels Guy, today. Guys, it's going to be a short one here for obvious reasons, but obviously, um, it is what it is, guys. We're getting prices into the mediocre side. We're seeing Solana rally, and I don't feel like there's really, I don't know about who is actually behind this rally. I don't see people out celebrating online or anything with this Solana thing. Don't really know. Be honest, guys, I don't really know how to read this market here recently. Just in like the last 24 hours, guys. Obviously, we don't want to make it seem like anything's coming to an end here. The party is probably likely always just getting going in terms of crypto, but basically, guys, having a little bit of time reading the market here, kind of what's going on last couple days. We've been following these prices. I got my little, my little notebook here. My little notebook I got right here to keep notes to try to keep everybody posted on it. So, you got a 36-year-old grown man Neanderthal sitting here taking notes. Soon I'll be adding tally marks to see my gains. You guys get it? Tally marks, old fashioned, this kind of thing. But guys, yeah, the market's just not making a lot of sense to me right now, guys. So rather than try to explain to you guys what I think's going on, we're kind of taking a step back out of here and saying, what the fuck are we doing here? What are we doing on this channel? What are we doing on in this crypto stuff? And I think a lot of people at this point in time are a bit confused. I think a lot of people, they're confused about the economy. They're confused about the way things are. But the way things are right now, guys, is actually the way things have always been. Nothing's really changed here. And this recent pump in these meme coins and Solana, and then these meme Solana tokens running sideways, and these other meme tokens kind of running sideways as well. It's just hard for me to gauge what is going on here, guys. Bitcoin Gold up a little bit. Sia coins. Some of these coins are a bit up, but it just doesn't feel like we're in the extreme greed euphoric state. And maybe we are. Maybe I'm miscalculating what's going on. But I mean, look at this, 2,000% up on Book of Meme tokens. So we do have tokens and coins achieving essentially billion-dollar market caps, guys, overnight. And I just, these are all on Solana, obviously. We're sitting here mad at the world, kicking a rock down the road, guys. I'm walking back from Vegas, back to La La Land, and I'm kicking a rock, mad about this. But I'm not necessarily mad. I don't understand what is going on here, guys, and I don't think anybody on YouTube, for that matter, does either. But anyways, guys, Solana tokens, meme tokens are up. Solana has rallied up to $183, which maybe it's time to buy Analos. Maybe it's time to buy these wacky Solana tokens. These I don't know, guys. I don't have the answers for you. I guess I'm coming today on Saturday, maybe asking you guys. Do you guys know what the fuck is happening here? Do you guys have any way to give me an idea of what might be going on my channel? And like I said, guys, it's don't misread it. It's just the market is a little bit sideways, is what I'm trying to say. It's a little bit, it's a little bit volatile. It's a little bit sideways, and a lot of coins are going down. Alan, my guy, good to see you, Alan. Glad Alan made it to the chat, guys. Haven't seen you in a couple days, Alan. Good to have you back in the channel. Alan, do you make any sense of this current market we're at with the Solana rallying up and continuing the rally, as well as these Solana tokens kind of doing the rally thing too? I mean, the rally's not just on Solana, guys, but essentially it kind of is, because we have these markets, these meme tokens. Yeah, I know McDonald's is hiring. I know. I'm not above working at McDonald's, guys. I don't ever consider myself guys, it's all mindset here, but the thing with the crypto mindset is when Solana keeps going up and the market is kind of running sideways down, and meme tokens on Solana are rallying, but some of them are crashing. guys, I hate to throw it out there. I don't want to throw it out here like this, but I think Solana might be, you know, something bad to come, guys. I really do. I think some of these, and if not Solana, maybe not Solana, maybe that's not accurate to say. But I do think these meme tokens and these altcoins built on Solana, um, you're either getting in on them as they're going up, but I just don't feel that euphoric feel across the internet that people are, if that makes sense. And I don't know that if there's a way to, explain this type stuff, right? I don't understand him. William's got a good, yeah, it's definitely DGen, Alan. William Brown. Let me just open another app here, guys. I got another app rolling here. I don't. William says I don't understand how Solana is doing so well. It's centralized and has many issues with blockchains. Makes no sense. I mean, guys, the Solana network's been down recently. Solana network has been down recently on Exodus wallet. So I imagine if it's down there, it's down other places. So I'm just curious to how this is playing out in terms of these Solana meme tokens, Solana utility tokens, whatever, Solana contracts, deployment contracts, guys. These are basically Solana's version of an ERC20 token, and these are trading into the billion-dollar market caps essentially overnight. I mean, I was watching that book of meme coin, guys. I was watching it, and like, I don't even know where you get it, obviously, but there's tons of places to get it, obviously, because people are going in on these and making 2,000% gains a week, 20x gains a week. Yeah, Alan, good point. I've never been so unexcited about crypto, guys, and I'm not sitting here telling you guys that I'm not excited about crypto. That really hasn't changed, and I don't think that's what Alan's saying either. But I think I know what you mean, Alan. It just doesn't feel like there's really anything going on with crypto. And the reason I think that is, guys, is because if you look at the majority of the altcoins that we're talking about here specifically on the channel, but broadly, we don't have any real altcoins that are exceeding any growth in terms of BTC or Ethereum, really. I mean, there are obviously Solana, obviously there are some. I'm not saying there are none. I'm just saying from a broader crypto perspective, if I pull up most coins against BTC here, we're going to see kind of a negative growth, right? We're going to see coin prices kind of trending down against BTC, which obviously, guys, a lot of the coins we're holding have been doing that for years now. So, it's not really the end of the world there. It's just that's the reason I'm a little bit, not, I wouldn't say confused. I'm just a little bit, like Alan said, unexcited about the crypto market. Maybe we'll wake up tomorrow, guys, and we'll have 3-4x on core against a broad crypto, broader crypto rally. But if we don't, it's not that I'm unexcited about crypto just because of that. It's just the different cryptos that are moving and the ones that are kind of going down against BTC. That's where I'm drawing to be specific on where the confusion's coming out of. At least on my end, that's where it's coming out of. Because I'd like to at least see, I'm not saying every one of my fucking coins, guys, has to break out on BTC. I'm just saying, I would like to see stuff like Ethereum Classic or Bitcoin Cash or, BSV or Dash, do a substantial jump against BTC Core. And really, we've only had, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV do that. And that's been in the course of a year at just basically random times. I mean, not as far as the news considering these things random. Obviously, with the Bitcoin Cash being on the EDX exchange, that was the excuse. Obviously, with this, Craig Wright thing, that was the excuse of the run up and drop. But the thing is, guys, is once we get to that next step and we see a massive breakout, and that will supersede the last ones I just mentioned on specifically BSV and Bitcoin Cash, but pretty much any breakout on Bitcoin against an altcoin or an altcoin against Bitcoin, any breakout that we see that's substantially large, I'd be thrilled at this point to see it in something like XRP, or even Avalanche or something, or fucking Cosmos or, Neo. I made a video on Neo, guys. I know nobody in the channel watched it, which is fine. That's half the reason I did it. Because, I mean, Neo is basically, you know, I don't know who's making videos on Neo, but basically nobody. And you know, you guys can go try to find them. You'll find some from the foundation from Neo, but it's more of a techie type thing. And my point is, guys, is nobody is euphoric about crypto at this point. I just don't know how to explain why they aren't, or why I'm not, or why they shouldn't be. I'm just saying it feels, you know, I'm feels guy. Obviously, you guys see the thumbnail. I am feels guy, so I don't feel that you know, there's any type of um, you know, euphoric or anything like this. And I agree with Alan. It's the most unexcited crypto run we've seen. Yeah, I actually feel like selling what I have to play. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's almost to that point, guys. It's almost to that point. Hey, guys, I got to run here. We'll look at SheepX want me to bring up Satoshi in the house. Thank God Satoshi actually comes here. You know what I mean? Let's look at BSV just real quick here. You know, BCH SV according to World Coin Index. But yeah, we'll look at it here. But yeah, this is what I'm saying here. Like, you know, the volatility looking good, but you know, not a real massive breakout, right? And I don't think that's accurate. Hold on a second. Okay. Is it accurate? Is that the volatility we've had? Yeah, I guess it is actually. So again, you know, something but nothing, right? Something but nothing. And it's only nothing, guys, until it's something. I mean, I know that's obvious, but you know, if you figure that out, I mean, let's just see, guys, you know, let's just see. It's not going to be the end because you know, I'm unexcited or Alan's unexcited, but it sure would be great to see, you know, not even on these two specific coins. Like I said, guys, I would be thrilled to see XRP shoot up in terms of BTC massively. Like, I mean, that's to the point where I'm at with seeing these coins do something against BTC. Like, I don't even care which coin it is. Can we just get like 2 or 3 coins to like massively run against BTC other than a meme token on Solana and other than a, you know, a BRC20? I mean, I know this is badass stuff, guys. I'm just saying, you know, at the end of the day, as we go through all these coins, you know, it's just we're not getting any kind of fucking movement, and it's annoying. It's you know, it's annoying to say the least, but you know, it's just like nothing, and I'm just trying to figure out like, you know, we might just be fucking BlackRock pawns at this point, but Fyro is pumping. Okay, well, that would be something to excite me. Mr. Fool, welcome, welcome. So, I mean, not against Bitcoin Core, it's not, Mr. Fool. But I wish it was. But, you know, prices, charts don't lie, guys. That's what we're looking at. Actually, I guess on dollars, yeah, Mr. Fool, you're right. I guess it is on dollars, going up a little bit of a pump, obviously down with the rest of the market this week, but up for the month. But yeah, these might be positions we got to look to get in on, guys, which is even more of annoying a topic. So we'll probably be doing another live stream, guys. Maybe, you know, earlier on today or later on today, if the stream you see me pop back up here, you know, we'll see what the prices do throughout the weekend. If not, tomorrow, you guys know it's Sunday, so we're gonna be hitting you guys with Bitcoin Supreme again on Sunday, weekly wrap-up show every single Sunday where we come down. So if you guys want your comments answered, try to do the comment on like the last 2 or 3 videos that I did. Or like the last 2 or 3 days up till Sunday, guys, because last week, I mean, we got on the channel, we were on here almost an hour, I remember, and we didn't even get to all the comments. So tomorrow when we do the show, we'll probably try to, you know, move into the comments a little bit quicker, because if you guys, like I said, if you guys have a comment, try to get it, you know, in on like a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, because I imagine at some point, guys, we're going to come on here, and between me conversing with people in the chat and in the comments, we'll probably never really get through anything. Not that we ever do, right? All right, guys, we'll catch you later. Take care.